Alright, so I'm going to try to help people make better flames. And so, forgive that. So this is what we're starting out with, these Corvette covers. I loosely made a flame sparingly using a stencil, and we're going to just do it in white. You can see it, how it's turning out. Then after we get it in white, then we're going to use candy red. Okay. So white, then we're gonna put red, and I'll just have to stencil some of these. I'll have to get something to hold this camera, but we're not going high detail yet because it's not time yet. We need to add something else right here. Because it looked bare. So I'm gonna do some stencil. When I say stencil, I mean just the little shields to highlight some areas, and then I'll come back.